Welcome to our PowerPoint presentation on the Dental Studies programs at the College of New Caledonia. Today we're going to give a few introductions. I'm going to give a review of both of the programs, which are dental assisting and dental hygiene. We'll also talk a little bit about the characteristics of a successful student. We'll talk a little bit about our graduates, and then job placement and job availabilities, and lastly, why you should choose the CNC dental programs. So before we get started, it's really important for everyone to know that when you enter into the dental program, you're not just a student in a program, you become a part of a community. And within that community, we build relationships and we do activities together. And it is quite a supportive and engaging environment. We hope that that encourages you to choose CNC for your dental program education. So in dental studies, we offer dental assisting, dental hygiene. You can also take a dental reception course through continuing education, and we also have an Introduction to Dentistry course, which is Deno 150. A certified dental assistant. So let's talk about certified dental assistants. What are some of the things that they can do? Well, they can assist the dentist. They can take x-rays or impressions. They can help clean the teeth above the gum line. They apply fluoride treatments and fissure sealants. They also provide oral hygiene instruction and nutritional care guidelines to patients. They also have many more duties. Often, certified dental assistants will work as employees of independent dental office practices. But there's other options for dental assistants. Sometimes dental assistants work in the community, so they may work in long-term care, health units, or hospital operating rooms. Dental assistants can also work in education as well as representatives for large corporations. So what are the prerequisites to be a certified dental assistant? Well, it starts in high school and you need a successful completion of your grade 12. You also need to take English 12 or Technical and Professional Communications 12. You will also need Biology 12 or Bio 050 with a grade of C or better. What is it going to cost you to be a dental assistant? Well, the estimated costs of the dental assisting program include $5,000 for tuition, $1,500 for books, $200 for a lab kit, $200 for gloves, $300 for uniforms, $400 for supplies, with an estimated total of $7,500. It's important to note that throughout the program, other costs do arise, and so you may encounter some situations where you do have to pay some fees. So what about our Certified Dental Assistant program? Well, each year it accepts 24 students in September. It's a one-year program, and you receive a certificate upon graduation. You can expect to participate in 30 hours a week of instructional contact, and on average you can expect to study for 2 to 3 hours each evening. In the dental assistant program, we also reserve 2 seats for Aboriginal students and 1 for an international student. Now here's a picture of one of our students, and she's practicing her radiographs on a Dexter. And so that's what we call this mannequin guy here, is he's a Dexter. And as I was telling you earlier, when you join the CNC dental programs, you're not just here as a student, but you become part of a greater community. And so this was one of our celebrations last year at the end of the fall semester. So next we'll talk about dental hygienists. So there are differences between a dental assistant and a dental hygienist, and I'm going to highlight some of those here. So a dental hygienist will work independently from the dentist. They are expected to assess, plan, and implement dental hygiene care that helps prevent cavities and gum disease. A dental hygienist is knowledgeable about the preventative aspects of dental disease and the education of patients toward optimal oral health and also optimal general health. Dental assistants, or dental hygienists rather, can also provide local anesthetic. And so you'll see here that we have a student practicing on a patient, and we also have a student who's practicing on an orange. In the program, we also present our students with many opportunities to be exposed to different products that we don't offer in the clinic. Here, these students are being exposed to a loupes representative. So loupes are magnifying glasses, and often they have lights on them to help improve visibility in the oral cavity. So where do dental hygienists work? Well, typically dental hygienists work as employees of dental offices, but dental hygienists can also own their own practice. Dental hygienists can also work in community-based practices such as long-term care, First Nation reserves. They can work with people with disabilities and also in health units. You'll also see dental hygienists in research positions as well as working for representatives of large corporations. So what do you need to be a dental hygienist? Well, you need some university transfer credit courses with a minimum of a 3.0 GPA, which is a B, with no grade lower than a C in any of the prerequisites. The prerequisite courses consist of 2 English courses, 2 human anatomy and physiology courses with labs, 2 chemistry courses with labs, psychology, and a math with statistics course, or the equivalent, and you also need an elective. So what are the estimated costs of the 2-year dental hygiene program? So this is after you've completed your first year of university transfer. These are the costs you can expect. So $22,000 for tuition, $2,800 for books, $2,800 for instruments, $200 for your lab kit, $500 for your gloves, $300 for uniforms, $500 for supplies, and as noted earlier with the dental assisting program, throughout your time here at CNC, there may be additional fees that arise. Overall, the estimated total for the program is $29,000. So what about the dental hygiene program? Well, every year we accept 18 students in September. It's a 2-year program, and at the end of the 2 years, you'll be a diploma graduate. You can expect 30 hours per week of instructional time, and on average, you can also expect to spend 3 to 4 hours each evening studying. We reserve 2 seats for Aboriginal students and 2 seats for international students. One very interesting point with the dental hygiene program is that after you've completed your dental hygiene diploma, there are options that exist to obtain a bachelor's degree from the University of British Columbia and from Thompson Rivers University. This is one opportunity that we provide our students with. This student is at a daycare, and our group of students has gone to this daycare to educate these young children about oral health. So what are some characteristics of a successful dental studies student? Well, they need the ability to work and act within the parameters of professional practice and procedures. You need to also be able to attend class and lectures and participate and engage in those lectures. You need exam writing skills, studying. You need to have computer skills. You also need to be able to manage your time and stress level. It's also very important that you're a good listener. Successful dental studies students also must have excellent hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills with your hands, and good communication skills. It's an asset to have critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Organizational skills will also help you succeed in the program. You must be able to manage your stress well and enjoy working in close contact with others. Lastly, studying should be prioritized over social activities, but we do recognize that having a balance between both of these is very important. So what about our graduates? Where do they go after they graduate from a dental assisting or a dental hygiene program? Well, as we talked about before, you could definitely focus your employment in private practice. That is where the majority of dental assistants and dental hygienists work. You could also work in public health, education, research, administration, sales, and you can do presentations. So what about job availability? Well, for dental assisting and dental hygiene, both careers have excellent employment opportunities. Both careers are in high demand. You can choose to work full-time or part-time, and many offices throughout BC are consistently contacting the CNC Dental Studies program as they are looking to hire graduates at this time. For a certified dental assistant, you can expect that the wage ranges from $25 to $30 per hour in British Columbia. For a dental hygienist, you can expect that the wage ranges from $40 to $50 per hour in British Columbia. You will find that in other provinces and territories, this wage can fluctuate. So why should you choose the CNC dental programs? Well, BC community employers value CNC graduates. As I mentioned earlier, we receive numerous calls a month for graduates from our program. Dentists are looking to fill specific employment needs of their practices with our graduates. And often, before our graduates leave campus, they have secured employment positions. We also provide a rewarding education. There's affordability of our dental studies programs and affordability of living in the north. We have small class sizes and good student-instructor ratios. We have 20 operatories that are all updated with digital capabilities. Both of our programs are nationally accredited, and we have a 100% pass rate on our national licensure exams. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Jennifer Scott, and I am the Dental Hygiene Program Coordinator. If you have any questions about the Dental Hygiene Program, you can contact me at the email listed here, which is scottj20@cnc.bc.ca. The Program Coordinator for Dental Assisting is Cynthia Lewis, and you can contact her at the email listed here, lewisc@cnc.bc.ca. We look forward to hearing from you, and please take the time to follow us on Instagram at CNC Dental Studies or on Facebook at College of New Caledonia Dental Studies, and we hope to see you on campus in the future.